Today I have something a little bit different for you, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based way of eating with a focus on protein. As I get older, I realize how important it is to eat more protein. We don't utilize our protein as well as we did when we were younger, and we start losing muscle mass at quite a rapid rate as we age. And healthy muscles are great for healthy bones and just for overall longevity. So something a little bit different today. So I got an email from a company, and years and years and years ago I did use their products, but it's been a while, and I thought, I remember I really liked that company, so I agreed to receive their product. And what it is a monthly subscription. It's a box, and you can either get a beauty box or a snack box. And I've got the snack box, and the name of the company is Vegan Cuts. They have given me a discount code for all of you, so you can get 10% off your box and you can give it a try, and you can stop whenever you want. I remember I did do it for a few months and I really enjoyed it. So it's something that you could just do for a little while. It introduces you to some really cool products. I got my first box, so I want to open it with all of you. And here it is. It comes in this cool little box. It's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to do it together. I have no idea what's in here. But before I open the box, I just want to remind you that to check out all the resources I offer in my description box. I'll have a link to Vegan Cuts, to their website. I'll have my discount code down there. I have other discount codes down there. I have links to my cookbook, to my online course, to my Facebook group. So a lot of good stuff down there, my favorite products. So check that out as well. All right, let's open this box. Still sealed, as you can see. So let's open it up. You know, it's like a little Christmas present every month. Aw, it says, "No bunny was harmed in the making of this box." So I really appreciate that. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, wow. All kinds of fun stuff in here. Now this box supports Woodstock Animal Sanctuary. They're really big into giving back to animal sanctuaries, so I think that's really great. That's something that's near and dear to my heart. All right, let's see what we got here. Now some of the stuff might not be gluten-free, so I may be giving this away. So all right off the bat, we have some organic nut-based jerky, and made from plants. And is this gluten-free? Ooh, this is mango habanero, made from plants. Okay, nut-based. Okay, I think this might be gluten-free. And this has 6 grams of protein for this whole package, 220 calories. So that might be something fun to take on a trip. Let's see. Mavericks Bolt Cookies, double chocolate. So we got some cookies in here. And let's see, these are definitely not gluten-free, so these are going to be a giveaway. And I've got a couple bags of those. And what have we got here? We've got some mushroom soup, 10 grams of protein in here. These are also really great for travel. And just ready fast, just add hot water and enjoy. So that looks really good. Okay, I'm going to keep that. And this is Buy a Bar, Give a Bar, apple, cinnamon, whole grain, 100% nut-free, vegan. And this one isn't gluten-free, but that's okay. My husband can eat gluten, so he wins, right? This is also a protein bar, blueberry chia. Now see, these companies I haven't heard of, and I would never have heard of this stuff if I hadn't gotten this box. This is called Consider This. This is snacking sunflower seeds. Pop roasted, crispy and crunchy, dark cacao sea salt. Oh, these are gonna be great for my trip. This is awesome, perfect timing. Yes, all right. And then, oh, one of my favorites, edamame pasta. Gotta love this. This is a penne. And yeah, I love this stuff. It's so high in protein. 12 grams of protein per serving. There's 21 in this whole box. So you know I love that. And then we've got roasted chickpeas. This is a chili lime flavor. Another great thing I'm gonna stick in my backpack. And what is this? Blake's seed-based crispy treats. Oh, it's got vegan marshmallow. So, I think I'm gonna take all these with me. 90 calories, and oh, it's only got 1 gram of protein, but nice little treat. And then we've got some ginger chews, organic. I really enjoy ginger chews. I mean, just because my last name is Chew, I think that's part of it. These are gluten-free. And again, I have not heard of this company, Prince of Peace. So that is what I got in my box here. And it's kind of a wide variety, a lot of bars. And this is going to be something that you could get once a month, maybe every other month. And, you know, maybe you just get 1 box just to try it. So I'm looking forward to see what other products I get. And so if you would like to get one of these boxes yourself, then just check out the link below. And I think these are going to be great for, like I said, for my traveling. And, you know, my husband gets to eat all the ones that aren't gluten-free. So that's all for this box. So like I said, just something a little different than my normal content. Just thought I'd give something new a try. And I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a like and share it with your friends. And please subscribe. So be sure to come back to my next video, which will be back to my regular programming, showing you delicious whole food plant-based recipes that are higher in protein. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. Today I have something a little bit different for you, so stick around. And here it is, and